Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn farm animals. The first animal is dog. Dogs are friendly and love to play. They wag their tails and bark when they are happy. Dog. Cat. Cat. Cow. Cows are big and love to eat grass. They give us milk which we use to make a cheese. Cow. Cow. Chicken. Chicken. Horse. Horses are fast runners and love to gallop. They make a fun sound both at night. Horse. Donkey. Dog. Blue dog. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep are fluffy and have woolly coats. They say baa and love to graze in the grass. Sheep. Pig. Pig. Pigs are smart and love to roll in the mud. They make a funny sound both at night. Pig. A rabbit. A rabbit. Duck. Duck.